ஹலோ. இப்போ எல்லாமே நம்மளுக்கு தெரியுது one of the most important health is gut health. Gut health அப்படிங்கும்போது நம்ம அந்த டாக்ஸின்ஸுமே நிறைய அந்த கட்டில் இருக்குது. அதனால் தெரப்பீஸ் அப்படின்னு வரும்போது when we do for our patients coffee enema சொல்கிறோம். Coffee enema என்ன ஆகும்னா when the coffee goes into the gut, it removes the toxin layers, biofilms, எதாக இருந்தாலும் அப்படியே கம்ப்ளீட்டாக ரிமூவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு it cleans that up. All that area will become clean so that it can absorb the nutrients which is coming in. It also stimulates the liver and helps in rejuvenating the liver, coffee enemas. So coffee enema is one of the very important therapies we do here in order for rejuvenation and removing the toxins from the body. That is one aspect of it. The second treatment following coffee enema, we ask people to use the infrared sauna. Infrared sauna is another wonderful mechanism of detoxifying the heavy metals from your body and also clearing the lymphatic channels and circulation from your body. அதுவுமே one of the excellent detox programs which we offer. So when we combine coffee enema with the far infrared sauna, your effect is magnified. Your health, உங்களுக்கு energy levels நீங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you will be unbelievable. If you are walking half an hour, usually your walking will increase to about a kilometer or two in the same half an hour. Your speed will increase, your ability increase, your agility will increase, and your capacity also increases when we do these therapies. இதோட சேர்ந்து the next therapy what we generally add on to these therapies is IV nutrition. நியூட்ரிஷனுங்கிறது நமக்கு டிஃபிஷியண்ட்டாக இருக்கிறனால தான் நம்மளுக்கு இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாம் வருது. ஸோ அந்த நியூட்ரிஷனல் டிஃபிஷியன்சியை in order to set it right fairly quickly, we use IV nutrition. IV nutrition will do you wonders for your health. We have examples of cases wherein an 82-year-old person with post shingles brain fog was cured in less than 2 weeks. So andamari it has got wonderful benefits. So IV nutrition will be part of your therapy, and then depending on your individual condition, how to upregulate your immune system and how to give you the best of the health, we also have hydrogen, ozone infusions and therapies which we can help you with. So இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஆல்ரெடி நிறைய பிரமாதமாக ரிசல்ட்ஸ் வருது. உங்களுக்கு என்ன தேவையோ, if you get in touch with our team, we'll be able to take a good history and then we'll be able to help you. Thank you very much.